When I attended Wildlife Leadership Academy in 2011, I had no idea that my pursuits and interests would change forever. It was then that I was first introduced to the invasive plant Japanese stilt grass, an annual grass from Japan that was introduced by using it for packing. Today it is found anywhere from Texas to Massachusetts. As the instructors explained how the plant impacted the ecosystem by outcompeting natives, I was amazed at the impacts that a plant community could have on the environment. I realized how dynamic ecosystems are, and I started asking millions of questions to myself on how the introduction of species affects various aspects of our ecosystems. 2 years later in college, I found myself back in the field assisting my advisor with research on, you guessed it, Japanese stilt grass. It is important to mention that I would never have guessed that I'd be researching stilt grass before 2011. If someone would have told me that I would be researching plots of grass, I would look at them like they are crazy. However, the plant continued to encourage my growth in conservation biology research. Our team wondered if deer exclosure fences and stilt grass removal would affect the native plant community, but personally I would learn so much more than that. I quickly learned that conservation biology research requires certain traits such as patience, passion, and dedication. Although setting up the project was difficult, it was very rewarding to see it finally set up, and I am eagerly awaiting the results. The millions of questions that I said that the stilt grass has brought to me, I now have the opportunity to pursue one of them. I am now in the midst of conducting research on the effects of Japanese stilt grass on the decomposition rates of deciduous leaves. Looking back, it is amazing to see how Japanese stilt grass has led me to mature as a conservation biologist and it opens so many opportunities for me.